Football fans, welcome to the biggest show on earth. The 2026 FIFA World Cup across the USA, Canada, and Mexico is officially here, and it is absolutely shattering records. From ticket madness to high-profile political presence, the energy is through the roof. If you think previous World Cups were big, think again. North America is taking things to a whole new level. First up, let's talk about the massive political spotlight. US President Donald Trump is heavily involved in the tournament's proceedings, raising the stakes for VIP attendance and global media coverage. But with great power comes extreme security. Host cities are currently under an unprecedented security blanket. We are talking high-tech surveillance, massive police deployment, and strict protocols to ensure that millions of fans traveling from all over the globe stay absolutely safe. It's a massive logistical operation, and the world is watching. Now, let's talk about the real stars, the fans. According to Sky Sports, the ticket craze is pure madness. Millions of people are still desperately trying to grab a seat, with resale markets skyrocketing. Fans from South America, Europe, Africa, and Asia have completely taken over host cities like New York, Los Angeles, Toronto, and Mexico City. The cultural melting pot is alive, the streets are buzzing with chants, and the atmosphere is nothing short of historic. On the pitch, the action is completely unpredictable. With the new 48-team format, every single matchday is delivering pure drama. Underdogs are fighting like giants, heavyweights are under immense pressure, and the group stages have already given us unforgettable moments. No one is safe, and every game feels like a final. This is more than just a tournament, it's a global festival. Who are you backing to lift the trophy this year? Will it stay in the Americas, or go back to Europe? Drop your predictions in the comments below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more live updates. See you at the next kickoff.